Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create chat folders on Telegram step by step. Chat folders help you organize your conversations into categories like personal chats, work, groups and channels so you can easily find what you need. With Telegram, you can create custom folders to manage multiple chats efficiently and keep your inbox clean and organized. This tutorial works perfectly on mobile and is a beginner-friendly guide. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create a chat folder on Telegram, how to add chats to folders, how to customize folders, and how to switch between folders easily. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. If this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to open up your Telegram app. So let me tap on my Telegram app to open it. You can see now my Telegram app is opening. So once your Telegram app opens up, all you have to do right away is to tap on settings. You can see the settings icon right there at the bottom down there. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see chat folders. You can see it right there, it says chat folders. So let me tap on it. Then right here under the chat folders, you can see where it is written create new folders. You can see it right there. What you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So this way you can be able to customize the new chat folder that you want to create, and the first step you're required to take is to impute the folder name. This folder I want to create now has to do with crypto mining, because I do a lot of crypto mining and I want to select all the chats that has to do with crypto mining on my Telegram account and put it into one folder and put it into a new folder. So let me just name the folder crypto mining. Let me just name it crypto mining. You can see guys, I've imputed crypto mining. That's going to be the folder name. Now the next step I have to take now is to add chat. You can see where it is written add chats. You can see it right there. So once I tap on it, it's going to direct me to all the chats that I have on Telegram, including my contacts, including all the channels that I have, including all the groups that I am into. So let me tap on add chat right away. You can see it right there. You can see guys, that directed me to all my contacts, my non-contacts, the groups, the channel and bots that I'm using on Telegram. So what I'm going to do now is to select the crypto mining bots that I'm using on Telegram. So let me select this one right here. You can see I selected one of them. Let me select PowerTap. You can see I selected that. Let me select WCoin. You can see I've selected that, and let me select Time Farm Chat. You can see guys, I selected four bots, four crypto mining bots. So after that, after you're done selecting the charts that you want, remember I said you can select contacts if you want. Maybe there are a group of persons, maybe there are a group of business people that you do business with. You can go ahead to select the chart and create a folder so you can easily access that folder and chat with your business partners. So this is just the idea. So I've selected four my crypto mining bots. So after you're done selecting, you can tap on the good icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it right away. So right here you can see the four charts that I've added, the four crypto mining bots that I've included right here. You can see it. Now the next step is to decide if you want to exclude any chart. You can see where it is written add charts to exclude. So if there's any, let me say there's a crypto mining bot that I don't want to add right here, I can go ahead now to add it so it can be excluded, but I don't want to do that. It says right there choose charts or types of charts that will not appear in this folder. So that's what it's about. The next one right there, it says folder color in chat list. So if you want your folder color to be green or any other color, green, red, purple, whichever color that you want your folder to have, you can go ahead to select it. And take note, this feature is for premium. This particular feature, this folder color feature, is for those who are subscribed to Telegram Premium. So right now it says my premium has expired, so I'm not going to be able to select a folder color. So guys, the next one right there, it says create an invite link. So if you want to maybe invite other persons that use Telegram to this particular chat that you've created, then you can go ahead to create an invite link. So once you share this invite link to other persons, they'll be able to access your folder, this folder that you've created. So that's how it works. It says right there share access to some of these folders, group and channels with others. So you can share your link and they'll be able to access these folders. So after you're done with all of this setup, the next step you have to take now is to save it. You can see it right there at the top right. You can see save right there at the top right. So let me tap on save. Wow guys, you can see now I've been able now to create a chart. You can see the chart right there. The name of the chart is crypto mining. You can see it right there. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to the home page of my Telegram account so that I can show you how I can find the chart folder that you've created. So let me go back now. Then let me go back again. So right here you can see I'm on the home page or the chat page of my Telegram account. Now for you to find the chat folder that you just created, what you have to do is to look up there. You can see where it is written crypto mining. The arrow is pointing at it. That's the new chat folder I just created. Remember, I named the folder crypto mining. So I can go ahead now to select it. Once I select it, I will see all the crypto mining bots that I added right there, all the chats that I added right there. So that's how it works. And also let me state this, you can actually create multiple chat folders if you want. I just created one. You can create as many as you want. So let me go ahead now to select this new chat folder that I just created. You can see right here, these are the crypto mining bot that I just created. These are the chats that are included in the new folder. You can see creating new chat folders enable easy access to chat. You can see it is well organized and the rest. So guys, this is how you can simply create chat folders on Telegram, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.